Stand by on the right, waiting on the left side.
What's your favorite gift?
You may be surprised to discover that many of your favorite products come with the Made in Monstropolis label. Some of these include sludge odorant, smelly, harmful, and abrasive. Primordial lube in 7 unnatural flavors. Dr. Stick-On Shoe Stick Powder. And Mushroom Coffee. When you want something hot to chew, reach for a bug-proof. It's good to the last drop.
To supervise your little monster. Thank you. Inside the taxi, and be sure to supervise your children. Thank you.
Atención visitantes. Para su propia seguridad durante el paseo, mantengan las manos, brazos, pies, piernas y colas dentro del taxi y vigilen a sus hijos.
Go down in those black cars. We're gonna switch so little ones are in first, okay?
Hello! If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
This human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with its force.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
There's a kid here! A sweet monster in the sky! Save me!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you heard about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way!
Situation is 99 or 0. Check the area. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here!
I have information on the girl. No humans back here.
I hate working nights! Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens!
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, too?
Race you to the scare floor.
Just never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door!
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now. Get up, get up! terrifying day of my life.
Mine, we're lucky.
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
All weekend, neither confirmed nor denounced something happening trial here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress as reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spent out
so we're good to go.
careful and thorough
Have everything under control now, so keep it moving. You didn't see anything unusual here today, did you? You never saw a human child in Monstropolis. It never happened. What are you looking at? Don't make me tell you